Hello guys, welcome back to SaaS Ltd Deals. If you're new here, make sure you subscribe to our channel and also click on the bell icon so that you never miss any of our uploads. I'm back with another review and today I'm going to review checklist.ggg. So checklist is a tool that is going to help you to come up with micro tasks or sub tasks that can complete bigger tasks. And the best part about checklist.ggg is that it is backed by an AI technology, which means you do not have to write this checklist or the subtask or the micro task in a manual manner. You can simply let the AI handle it for you. All you have to do is give some task ideas to this software, and then checklist.ggg will make a full-fledged checklist where you will get all the subtasks that you need to complete to achieve the bigger task. And currently checklist.ggg is available on Appsumo as a lifetime deal. The regular price is close to $200, but at Appsumo you are getting 80% off, which means the price is only $39, and this is a one-time single payment. Checklist.ggg is an alternative to Process Street. Now let's have a look at all the features that you are going to get with this tool. So you can create unlimited projects with checklist.ggg Appsumo Deal. You can use the AI unlimited times. You can create repeatable checklist. You can also auto-assign checklist. And these are some of the plans that are available on Appsumo. The plan 1 costs $39 with 2 users, the plan 2 $78 with 5 users, and the plan 3 with $117 with 9 users. There are also some more codes. The highest code is 10 code. So the plan 10 costs $390 with 44 users. So if you want to buy the Appsumo deal of checklist as a lifetime deal, make sure you check the link in the description below. Currently, we are on the website of checklist.ggg, and I have brought to you to this website because of a few reasons. There are some really impressive features on this website, and as you can see, here are some of the features that you will get from this tool. But what I wanted to show you on this website is that these free planners, so if you go to their website and then click on these free planners, as you can see on this section, there are over 100 free printable planners. Using these planners, you can stay top of your tasks, set goals, boost your productivity, and there are a lot of planners for almost any type of category that you are on. For example, you want a planner for your fitness journey, so simply go to this fitness planner, and here is the fitness planner. You can get a preview on here. So you will see how this planner works. So here are some elements. You will also see the list of planners that is included on this package. And here is a small preview and it is on A4 size. So let me show you this file by downloading it. As you can see, here is the PDF file and it is the workout tracker. So you can track the activity, the duration. And as you can see, here is the habit tracker, the notes, the focus of month. So this fitness planner is really impressive, I have to say. Just like this fitness planner, there are also a lot of other planners, as you can see. And then there is another section that I'm really impressed with, that is this templates. So on this template section, you will get templates to make your checklist. And there are over 1000 free checklists for SEO, marketing, sales, and a lot of other categories. For example, you want a checklist for SaaS. So here are all the checklists related to SaaS. For example, if you need a checklist for go-to-market, simply click on this and here is the checklist. So this way you can access any of these checklists simply by selecting the category and all of the checklists are going to appear. Now let's go to the dashboard. And here is the dashboard of checklist.ggg, and on the left side you will see all of different projects that are already given on here. If you do not want a project, you can simply delete that, or you can also change the name of this project from simply here. And as you can see on this community management category, I have 2 checklists. So you can go to any of these categories and then you can start making your checklist. So let's go to this SEO optimization. Now, after coming to a project, what you have to do is click on new checklist to start making your checklist. And here's the fun part. There are so many ways that you can use to make your checklist. So the first way is using prompt and the AI of checklist.ggg to make your checklist super fast, super easily. So let's click on create using prompt. Now, as you can see on the right side, there are already some sample prompts given. And if you do not want to use any of this, you simply have to provide your prompt on this section. And then you have to click on generate checklist. For example, let's choose this prompt, create a marketing campaign, launch checklist for a specific campaign. So let's select this and here is the prompt. Now, if you check this button, the AI is going to add subtasks for each item, which means each task in the checklist. So let's leave this empty and click on generate checklist. So the process has started, and as you can see on here, it is going to take about 30 to 90 seconds. Well, for me, it was way more faster. So here is the checklist for marketing campaign launch. And as you can see, here are all the tasks that you have to do in order to launch your marketing campaign. Now, a great thing about checklist.ggg is that it even allows you to edit each and every part of your checklist. You can edit any of these tasks. For example, this define campaign goals and objective. You can select this, and on the right side, you will get access to this box where you can change the title. You can also add description to this task. So let's add something. For example, this is the description, and that's all you have to do. The description has been added, and you can also obviously change the task title. So as you can see, the title is now changing. There are also some other options. So you can add another task on here. You can also make a duplicate version of the same task. So here is another one. And then if you click on this more, you can add child, which means subtask. For example, to define campaign goals and objective, you need to identify market. So as you can see, now the child or the subtask to this number 1 task has been added. You can also make changes to this subtask exactly the same way. Another fun part is that this add new component. So on a specific task, you can add various components such as a text. You can add a text or image or a file, or you can also embed something. So for embed, you have the URL. Now let's also add an image. So click on image. Now, as you can see, there is a box where you can upload an image. So this way you can add various components to your task. Now let's once again go back to the dashboard, and let's try to create another checklist. So click on new checklist. Now you can also create checklist from document, which means doc file. You can create checklist from URL or from large text, and you can even create a checklist using the agent of checklist.ggg, which is the AI agent. So you have to provide some information to that agent, and then that agent is going to write you a checklist based on your needs. And there is also the manual creation. So if you do not like to make checklist using these automated processes, you can simply click on create manual. As you can see, now the editor has opened. So this is the first task. You have to add the title and description, or you can also add various components to this first task, and then you can add your new task, which is the second task. Now what I want to do is click on this new checklist, and I want to try out this create from URL. So I want to paste an article link on this box, and I want to see how checklist performs according to that. So let's click on this. And as you can see, I have opened an article. It is about creating a prototype in Figma. So as you can see, this is a tutorial, and there are obviously some tasks on this tutorial, but there are no subtasks. As you can see, only there are short videos, 6-second video, 20-second video. So I want to see how checklist.ggg makes a checklist using that create from URL feature, if it really works, since there aren't really subtasks on this article, as you can see. So let's copy the URL of this article, and then let's paste it on this box. Now let's click on generate checklist. Okay, so the checklist has been created, and as you can see, here are all the tasks that you need to complete in order to create a prototype on Figma. And as you can see, these are the main tasks, but there are also subtasks. And keep in mind that there were no subtasks on that article, but on here you are getting tasks with their subtasks, which is simply amazing. So I have to say checklist.ggg is doing an amazing job when creating checklists using URL. And obviously you can make as many modifications as you want on this checklist. All you have to do is simply click on a specific task, and then you can change the task title if you want. You can give a description. You can also add various components, as you can see. Once your checklist is fully complete, you can simply click on publish. Now you can also run this checklist. So let's run it now. And as you can see, here is the checklist that is started. Now, if you complete a task, all you have to do is click on that particular task. For example, I have completed this task number 1. So as you can see, now it is completed and all of the lines are now disappeared. So now you can go to the next one. So here's the next one. You can also click on this, or you can click on a subtask, or you can simply click on complete task, and then you will get to the next task automatically. And a great feature is you can even assign your tasks to certain team members. So to add them, you have to go to settings and then members. So on this box, you have to provide the email of your team member, and then you have to invite him to this checklist.gg, and then you can assign certain tasks. So let's go to SEO optimization, and as you can see, here is one checklist that is currently running. So you can assign it to someone. Click on assign. Now you have to select the team member on here, then the run name and the due date. Then you can assign it to that particular member. Overall, I have to say checklist.gg is an excellent tool. It lets you create a full checklist with different tasks. Even you can add subtasks. You can also add various components such as images. You can embed URL. You can also add text. And about adding tasks, the best part is you do not have to do anything manually. You can let the AI handle it for you. All you have to do is give the AI a prompt, or you can also use any of the pre-given prompt, and that will be enough for the AI to generate a full checklist for you. So if you want to buy checklist.gg on a lifetime deal from Appsumo, make sure you check the link in the description below. Here are the features and here are the plans that you can buy from Appsumo. There are around 10 codes, so make sure you buy the one that suits your need the most. So that's it for our today's video. I hope you have found the video to be helpful. If you do, make sure to subscribe to our channel for more content like this.